Hi, I'm Meg, the founder of Clarity Direct Neurofeedback. When you have the power to help someone, you do whatever you can. That's why I've dedicated my life to making Clarity Direct Neurofeedback the most user-friendly neurofeedback technology available, with seamless turnkey integration into your current practice, plus ongoing support and continuing education throughout your Clarity provider journey. The Starter Kit package supplies you with everything you need to administer a session. The Clarity EEG amplifier, the Clarity Direct Neurofeedback software, the traveling case, sensors, 1020 conductive paste, and new prep gel. The provider portal is where you find access to commonly used forms, continuing education videos, access to other providers, and customizable marketing materials. The marketing materials range from outlines for newsletters, blogs, website content, and photos that can all be customized to your practice to market to your current clients and your desired client population.